And among the people are those who claim to have faith in Allah and the Last Day, yet they are not truly believers. After mentioning the believers in the first 5 verses and the open disbelievers in 2 verses, Allah has mentioned the characteristics of hypocrites in 13 verses, because hidden disbelief is more dangerous and it is very difficult to recognize it. Hypocrites conceal disbelief in their hearts, profess faith, and believe they are successful in deceiving Allah and the believers. However, the deception lies in the fact that they are labeled as Muslims in this world, enjoying the rights and benefits of the Muslim community. In the hereafter, though, they will be in the lowest depths of the fire.